Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now, power off, or set your device to sleep to prevent corruption while inserting the card. Locate the SD slot or the combined tray. Many laptops show a small outline or icon. Once found, confirm the card type, micro SD versus full-size SD, because adapters change orientation. Make sure the metal contacts are facing the correct way. Incorrect orientation blocks the slot and may bend pins. If using a tray, open gently with the eject tool and hold the tray level before placing the card. With the slot exposed, align the card notch to the keyed side of the reader. This prevents upside-down insertion that damages contacts. Slide the card straight in, do not wiggle, and stop when you feel a soft click or resistance. That indicates secure seating. If you're using a micro SD in an adapter, confirm the adapter is fully closed so the card doesn't shift. For an external reader, plug it into a powered USB port first. An underpowered hub can fail to recognize the card. Once the card is inserted, boot or wake your device and open your file browser or disk utility to verify the card mounted. If you don't see it, power down, remove and reseat the card, then retest. Simple contact issues are common. If still unrecognized, try a different reader or USB port to rule out hardware faults. If the card appears but files are inaccessible, avoid formatting right away. First, attempt data recovery or backup to prevent permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.